Hi, it's Dottie Matheson with Artfully Rooted, and today I've got this cutting board, and I got it actually off of Marketplace with a big, huge haul that I had picked up. I went over to buy about 8 things she had for sale posted on Marketplace, and she said she was cleaning out her storage and she had a bunch of other stuff, so I went ahead and said, let me see what you've got, because I might buy it. Well, I ended up, for $75, I ended up packing my car from top to ceiling and side to side. And in this, here was this beautiful cutting board. And you could use it for sushi or wine and cheese or serving, but it's solid wood. So what I did was, it was a little dirty and stuff, so I went ahead and ran 220 sandpaper over it, and then I wiped it really clean. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to treat it with hemp oil by Pickins milk paint. They carry this hemp oil here, and it's all USDA certified food safe. So I'm going to show you how to apply it, and you'll be seeing this beautiful board is going to transform into something beautiful. So here I go. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So what you want to do, I'm taking just a regular sponge brush, and let me see if I can get this open. Woo, it's pretty tight. Oh, there we go. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and just put a little bit on my sponge brush and then wipe it across. And it's okay if some of it drips. So you can already begin to see the beauty of the wood being transformed by putting this on here. But this is going to protect it, and it will be, again, like I said, food safe because it's certified. I do sell this in our store, hemp oil, and by Pickins, and you can come in and pick some up if you like. But it doesn't take much, so let me go ahead and do this really quick for you. It really brings out the details in the wood. Look how pretty that is now. I'm going to give it a brand new look. I'm going to sell this in my